All right, guys, I'm doing 4B, and it occurred to me that I hadn't showed you the quick way to get the shit going through the Newton's method when you put it in a calculator. So I tried checking all the rational roots, and it didn't work. I still need the roots. I need the x-intercepts. So I need to use Newton's method, and so I did F0 and F1, and I found that these change signs. So by the intermediate value theorem, there is a root between them. So I found that here. Then I checked some negative numbers, and I saw F2 was negative 2 was positive still, but F of negative 3 was negative. So there's a number between negative 2 and negative 3. I started with negative 2 because it's closer to having a 0 than negative 3 was. And I did this. And then I wrote down, I did a bunch of these in a calculator real quick just to see what they were. And there's a difference between F of 5 and F of 8. F of 8 is closer to 0 than F of 5. So I'm going to work with F of 8. So what I'm going to programmatically do is this is my Newton's method approach. This is F, this is F prime. So I'm going to enter in, let's see if I can put it where you can see it. Let's do it over here. Gotta be somewhere where it'll show up. Okay, right there. I'm going to enter in my X naught, hit enter, I hit equals. So it shows up there as the 8, it's in. Now I'm going to program in the Newton's method using the answer key. So I'm going to say answer, that's my X sub n, minus parentheses. I want answer, which is X sub n, cubed, minus 6 times answer squared. So I'm doing 6x sub n. Minus 15x sub n is minus 15 times answer, plus 4. I'll end the parentheses. And then I'll do I gotta do divided by the bottom. I've got 3 times answer squared minus 12 times answer minus 15 in parentheses. So I took this and I replaced X sub n with answer everywhere. And I put it in using parentheses to make sure order of operations happened. Now watch what happens. What it's doing is it's going to grab my answer, which was 8, and auto-fill in all this and tell me what X sub 1 is. So X sub 0 where's my pen? X sub 0 was 8. I hit equals. And it tells me X sub 1 is 7.851851852. And I can hit equals again. And now it gives me X sub 2, 7.8466788246. And I hit equals again. As long as you keep hitting equals, it's going to keep using the same function, the same formula. So I hit it again. 667 2028. Notice we're already matching to 5 decimal places. And I hit it again, and X sub 4 is actually getting me the exact same value. 667 2028. So these two are the same value. I must have a root there. A root is at X equals 7.8466672028. I'm not going to be able to graph that. I might be able to graph 7.85. Not really, 7.8. But I'm going to just round to a couple decimal places for when I do the graphing for that problem. That's how you can speed up doing the Newton's method on your calculator. Okay? I wanted to share that with you. I don't know if I'll have a video ready for the review stuff. I'm working on solving them now still.
Peace.